Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing files and making a safe copy of your world and resource packs. That prevents loss if something goes wrong. Next, convert or obtain audio in OGG format. Minecraft prefers OGG for in-game looping, and keep files small, around 1/2 to 10 MB for performance. Finally, open your Minecraft installation folder and find the assets and resource pack directories so you can start replacing or adding music files immediately. Once done preparing files, create or open a resource pack and add a pack. Make meta file so Minecraft recognizes it. Then make folders, assets/Minecraft/sounds, and drop your OGG tracks there with clear file names. Consistency matters because Minecraft references names exactly. Next, edit or create sounds. JSON to map sound events to your files, assign categories like music or ambient, and include subtitle text. This tells the game when and how to play each track so your custom music integrates cleanly. To finish, install your resource pack via options right arrow resource packs and enable it, then reload resources. You can trigger tracks in world or use the /playsound command to test specific files. Make sure volume settings and categories are appropriate so music plays as intended, and confirm the pack is highest priority if multiple packs exist. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: verify exact file names, correct sounds, JSON syntax, and that your OGG files use supported encoding. Fix any mismatch and reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.